Hi everyone. In this video, you will learn to open Device Manager in Windows 10, 8, and 7. There are plenty of reasons to open Device Manager in Windows, but it's usually too used to troubleshoot some problems with your computer's hardware. You might update device drivers, adjust system resources, find Device Manager error codes, or even check in on a device's status. You'll need to open Device Manager. The Device Manager has been part of Windows for a long, and it is also available in Windows 11. Only looks and feels have been changed, but the functions of Device Manager are the same on every version of Windows operating systems. The Device Manager is an essential utility that allows you to configure or troubleshoot hardware on your PC. There are several methods to open Device Manager when you need it. You may use any of the below-mentioned ways that you like to use. Using Windows Search Menu. Through the Power User menu. From Control Panel. Via Run command. Using Settings app. Through Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell. Let me show you one by one. How to open Device Manager in Windows 10, 8, and 7 using the Windows Search menu. To open Device Manager on a Windows PC from the Search menu, click the Start button and type Device Manager. Then select the Device Manager in the search results. Device Manager will open instantly. How to open Device Manager through the Power User menu. Windows 10 includes a hidden Power User menu. To access the Power User menu, press Windows plus X keys on your keyboard or right-click the Start button. In the menu that appears, select Device Manager. Device Manager will open. How to launch Device Manager from Control Panel. First, open Control Panel on your computer. Then, click the Hardware and Sound category. Finally, hit the Device Manager to open it. How to open Device Manager via Run command. You can also open Device Manager through a Run window. First, press Windows plus R to open a Run window. Then type devend.msc and click OK to see the Device Manager window. How to access Device Manager using the Settings app. If you'd like to open Device Manager using Windows settings, open Windows 10 settings by pressing Windows plus I keys on the keyboard. In Settings window, type Device Manager. Click on the Device Manager that appears in the search result. This will open Device Manager on your computer. How to open Device Manager through Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell. Fortunately, the same command works on Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell to open Device Manager in Windows 10/8/7. First, open the Command Prompt or Windows PowerShell that you prefer to use and then type devend.msc. Finally, hit Enter key on the keyboard to launch the Device Manager. That's it.